The COP is the platform that is being used by the UCC, by the coordination cell. And the COPTERM is basically the mobile application that is being used by the team leader of the first responders teams in the field. The basic concept of the technology is to integrate information from disparate forces, allow efficient and effective incident management, facilitate the collaboration of multiple teams working together in different work sites, allowing the coordination cell to be able to manage resources, assets, multiple information that are coming in parallel or simultaneously, and to manage in a more effective and efficient way the work in various work sites, the extrication process of the victims, the assessment process of the triage process of the collapsed buildings or the different work sites that the teams are working in. And also to support increase of safety, and also decrease the time that is needed for saving victims from debris.